Namaste guys. So some guys named JSS Medina asking me how to extrude but opposite side. So this tutorial is based on the feedback on this. So let's see how to approach it. So I will open Solidworks. So first let's create a simple cylinder. Choose the shape as per your requirements. Let's say this diameter is 150 and the height is, choose whatever you want, doesn't matter. Now I will select the top plane, click on here. Now he asked for to create the ellipse. So I'm just drawing random ellipse. You can choose as per your requirements. So not necessary that you choose my dimensions. Now exit the sketch mode. After that, what I will do, I will select the wrap mode, select the surface. Now what I want to extrude it. So select this one. How much? Let's say 10 mm, click OK. Notice it's outside. Quite simple, easy, nothing is difficult, simple tutorial. So in that way you can create more custom and difficult shapes as per your requirements. So I hope it clears the doubts. So thanks for watching and have a great day. And also you guys can support this channel, or if you have any kind of tutorial idea in mind, please feel free to share it. Thanks for watching. Namaste.